Converting from a string to boolean in Python. How do I convert a string into a boolean in Python? This attempt returns true.
Really, you just compare the string to whatever you expect to accept as representing true, so you can do this. Or to checks against a whole bunch of values. Be cautious when using the following. Empty strings evaluate to false, but everything else evaluates to true. So this should not be used for any kind of parsing purposes.
True values are y, yes, t, true, on and 1. False values are n, no, f, false, often 0. Raises value where if val is anything else. Be aware that distubles.util.stringable returns integer representations and thus it needs to be wrapped with bool to get boolean values. Given that distubles will no longer be part of the standard library, here is the code for distubles.util.stringable. See the source code.
Then call it like so. Handling true and false explicitly. You could also make your function explicitly check against a true list of words and a false list of words. Then if it is in neither list, you could throw an exception.
The JSON parser is also useful for in general converting strings to reasonable Python types.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.